So if you want to make a journal, like a blank journal with line pages, I'm going to show you the technique that I do from this book that I did. And it's free. This is the free version. Of course, there are people out there who are selling templates with this, but I don't like to spend money if I don't have to, especially when I don't have a lot to spend. So, using Microsoft Word, I'm just going to show you how to use it and do it if that's what you want to do. So you're going to use your keyboard for this. So there is the dash button, which is next to the plus sign and the equal sign button. But you have to hold the shift button down, because if you don't and you just hit the dash button, that's what you're going to get. You're not going to get a solid line. And look at the difference. When I hold the shift button down and the dash button, that's the line that you want, a solid black line. So that's what you have to do. Always hold the shift button down. So depending on how long you want the line for, you could do that. You could continue it to whatever um size you want, or if you want to go, just hold it down and it will just run until you stop it. But you see how the lines are like so close? People need space to write. So what you do is that you just like gather them all, then you go to, I right click and you go to paragraph. And if you want it 1.5 or 2, 1.5 is good. Make sure that this is on check. Um, and then you do that and you see how it's spaced out. And then if you want them the same length, then you just go back until they're the same. Then, okay, so to add more line, you click enter. Okay, sometimes, well, that happens. Microsoft just put it in one bold. So don't worry. All you do is just click the back button once. I don't know why it keeps doing that, but that's a Microsoft thing. And then you can just copy, highlight what you want, copy, paste. That way it fills it up faster. As you can see, this is wider than the rest. So in order to make it the same, you go to the end of the line, use the backspace button, just go one up. Go to the end, backspace, go one up. See, you make it even now. Okay, and then you can always go back and fix that. But I'm just showing you this is the free way that you would add lines to your journal if you don't want to pay for a template. All right, and I give different tips, and I showed in another video how to add images, because there's a specific way when you're uploading a book to KDP. When you add images, there's a specific way you have to do it. So I did do a video on that. And if you want to, I'm going to do other videos, like if you want to put the background, the pictures behind or in front to make it dull, to make it bright. So keep watching, because I'm going to be doing videos because I use these techniques in all the books that I've written and uploaded to Amazon. So things that I've learned, the errors that I've made, so that you don't have to suffer like I did. So, and also if you're interested in my books, you can just go to me and you can get them for yourself or someone else. And keep watching my videos to learn tips and tricks of using Microsoft Word to write your books, write your manuscripts, so you can upload it to Amazon KDP without errors. All right. Bye.